This is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Gcam application on it. So to start, open whatever search bar you prefer, but well, usually I use the Google. Then look for this particular website, or well, at least that's what I always use and it always works, so I recommend that you use it as well. Then at the web page, go for the suggested versions, expand the section containing the most recent instance of the Google Camera port. Then choose one of the download files over here. Then tap at the link to start the download, then confirm the download and wait for the file to be downloaded. As you can see, it is a pretty big file, 366 megabytes in size, so we'll have to wait for a minute or two. So once the file gets successfully downloaded, you gotta tap on it and start its staging. Then, well, initiate the installation and wait for the app to be installed as well. Then simply open the Gcam, grant all the permissions that it asks for in order for it to be working properly. And well, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.